YouTube, we back with another video. Me and my boy Rob about to head out to the car meet, and we about to cut up, so I'm gonna do a quick POV on the way there. Let's go. I'm ready.
I'm ready too. I'll follow you.
So YouTube, we're on our way to a car meet right now. Mikey and Mills. How you guys been? Do you guys miss me or what? Like I ain't talked to you guys in a long time, man. Like, what y'all been doing? Y'all miss me? It got a little cold outside, so I had to take a break on the videos. And I just wanted to wait until car season got back going. So now, we back. We pushing more videos. We pushing P. I'm telling y'all everything y'all need to know. And we back. Villain X. Hey, Villain family, did y'all miss me? But like I always say, guys, always remember, like, comment, follow, subscribe, do everything to the channel, y'all. I got my spill a little messed up because I kind of forgot. I'm a little rusty, y'all. I'm a little rusty. I ain't been on in like 2-3 months now. Like, I'm a little rusty, so give me some leeway. But we back. So this is the POV to the car meet, car show, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna be quiet. I ain't gonna film the whole thing because I think we're like 18 minutes out. So I'll just do like a good solid, like maybe 8 minutes. 8 minutes should be cool. So like I said, my boy Rob gave me the good old walkie so we can hear each other. I'm in race mode too, by the way, guys. I ain't give you guys a full long tutorial on me like setting up my car, but I'm in race mode. For anybody wondering, I may go on Sport Plus. Without further ado, be quiet. Enjoy.
That's a lot.
Is that what?
Some cars blocking me, but no, I catch up to you.
Okay. State Trooper. Also, guys, watching today is Black Cardi. This is one of my favorite watches. Like, the whole black look just does it for me, if you guys can see. This is my favorite. I'm gonna crack the window for you guys so you guys can hear a little bit. I'm gonna get in the right lane until you catch up.
Clear in the back. I'm gonna catch up to you.
Okay.
I couldn't hear you.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, Yeah, somebody else on our line.
What the fuck?
1 minute to check the wife. So that I can go through and make sure everybody's left a minute.
Hey, those pops. Ski. Hey guys, tell me why I forgot to get a car wash before going to a car show. Like, well, car meet, whatever you want to call the shit. Bro, I'm such a dumbass. Like you guys, come on. It's like not taking a shower before you about to meet your girl or go on a date. Like, I feel incomplete. Hate that. I ain't been no open road guys, so it's to like really see, once we get to this little highway right here, we'll have all this open space. So
Just have this turning on exit 5A.
don't vape, guys. No. Bad. So guys, like, how y'all lives been, man? Like, tell me, like, what y'all been up to? Like, how y'all feel about Brawny cooking the other day? He got 17 points. That boy was cooking. I feel like he just needed this be confidence and be yourself. When you got a lot of people talking shit and like just criticizing you, it's like I just feel like you got a lot of weight on your shoulders. Then you gotta be his dad's son. That's a lot of pressure. I want to see you too. Oh, another thing, guys. This is just a side note. I've been meaning to get a GoPro so I could be able to. I just got the camera mounted to the sunroof right now. Don't worry, guys. The quality and everything put together is gonna be A1. Just give me some grace.
I'm gonna try to gap it.
But that's an ugly lime. What's that? Lime green.
Oh, it's an LT1? Yeah, it got the same motor as the SS. Oh no, you get off the freeway? Yeah. You thought they got scared?
Bro, that was an ugly color.
Yeah, he can have it.
Exit coming up at like 2 miles, so I'm getting over to like needs to be in the middle.
Yeah.
I got this bad boy in race mode, boy. This bitch be flying.
And this Audi's behind me keeping up too.
I'm about to cook them. Now he trying to keep up, man. A little late, brother. Oh, that's girls.
My transmission split.
Okay. You already pulled over? I mean, once we get across this bridge, we like right there. If you just want, what's it called? If you just want to wait, we damn near here now.
I'm sure.
Yep, we're basically here. Now it's a line. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna make some. I'm about to end the video right here.
Left lane, go ahead.
And we're gonna finish up recording when we get there. Well, we're here, but I'm just gonna walk around and show you everything. So see you guys then.